All right, Skylander, are you ready to go take down the chef and save that special Phoenix chicken what's-it bird? Sounds good. And, sure, while I may not be the biggest bird fan in the world, this one does sound pretty special. Kinda reminds me of, me, that way. Okay. Departure boom! Seeing all these birds kinda reminds me of something. What the?
Hey, stranger!
I mean, Tessa. Hi. Hello there. You're looking well.
You're not so bad yourself. Come on, let's land right over there. When I heard that evil Chef Pepperjack was coming after the Phoenix chicken, I came up here to help protect her. I should have known that the Skylanders would be on the case.
That's right, Tessa. Wherever danger lurks, you are sure to find heroes like us. And since there are no other heroes like us, it's just going to be us.
Right. Anyway, I was thinking that we could go scout ahead, try to find the Phoenix chicken, while the Skylanders take care of the bad guys.
Oh, and on the way, I can catch you up on all the latest adventures of Flynn the Pilot. Spoiler alert, they're all awesome.
Bursting at the seams!
Hey, Skylander!
Super-duper!
Have you seen any crazy nuts hanging around this place?
I'm sitting right here, you know.
Oh, silly. I wasn't talking about you. I mean these magical boingo nuts that grow here. And if you take one over to a spot like this, kablam! Instant vine bridge.
Chop chop! Grim and Trip! Never a dull moment!
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Cutting through! Up top!
Shred ahead, Troll 2.
Shred not.
Feeling sharper!
Shred the Skylanders.
Shred not defeated.
Do you think that vortex is a good thing, Troll 2?
Shred not trapped.
Oh! Get the buzz go! Chop, chop!
We are the Blocker Birds, protectors of the Phoenix Chicken. We won't let anyone get past us. Although we have been standing here a long time and are pretty hungry. Boingo Nut!
Skylanders of the light element are stronger in this zone.
Never a dull moment! It's trimming time! Cut loose! Yeah! Never a dull moment! Let's do this!
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone.
Never a dull moment.
Yes, I have to admit that when I first saw you teaming up with a bad guy, I was nervous. Nervous and also kind of hungry, but after seeing that and eating a sandwich, I now say boom to this whole arrangement.
Let's go.
Freeze! Freeze! I aim to freeze.
Chill Bill.
Grim and Trill.
No one's gonna put Jill Bill on.
I rocked it.
Freeze!
Chill Bill defeated.
Remember me as a hero!
Chill Bill trapped.
Whoa!
Cutting in.
All right, Skylander! Now let's go!
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
What do we have here? Look like a Skylander come to protect his mama bird from the big bad chef. I just want to make an extra spicy omelet and blow everyone up. Is that really such a bad thing? Look like this Skylander don't want us making a spicy omelet and do. I know, it all sounds great. crazy to me. So let's get 'em! Whoa, boy! Hey! What's the big idea, Chief? Oh! Looks like this Skylander got a bit of fight in him. You've proven to be a real onion and ice cream, Skylander. This is a bit tougher than I imagined. But like they say, you've gotta break eggs if you want to make an omelet. And I do want to make an omelet. Attack! That's so good. Uh-oh! That's no good. Think it's time to add my secret ingredient. Ooh! Smash! Who wants a piece of me?
Cuckoo Clocker.
Ooh, it's getting crowded in here. Back over back to a
Cuckoo Clocker defeated.
Put a life trap in the port.
Guess it's bye-bye birdie!
Cuckoo Clocker trapped.
Well, that didn't go so good. But I still got one more trick up my sleeve.
It is I, Chaos! What? How dare you boo my supreme awesomeness?
Chaos, your so-called awesomeness is not needed round here. I guarantee I have it totally under control.
Ha! Ha, I say! You're just lucky I was passing by. Now observe and see how a true master takes down the Skylanders. Not to mention flawlessly completing my cunning plan of sabotage.
Oh, boy.
We saved the Phoenix chicken, but Chef Pepperjack made off with one of her eggs for his omelet of spicy doom.
Are we sure that's a bad thing? I mean, it sounds delicious.
It's a bomb, Flynn, remember?
Oh, yeah. We better go after that guy. And probably stop for some lunch right afterwards, because now I'm hungry.
Okay, now that we've got that chef on the run, I have used my secret ninja commando tracking skills to locate his position.
Wait, how exactly does one use Secret Ninja Tomato? No, you know what? Never mind.
Oh, that's great news, Buzz. Flynn and I will fly the Skylander out there, and we can finally take down this creep.
I should warn you that the chef cruises around in some kind of super blimp. Looks a little silly, but it's got some serious anti-aircraft weaponry.
And that's why I outfitted Flynn's ship with some serious anti-aircraft weaponry. Exactly. Oh, and Skylander, some cool skeleton dude came by looking for you. Why don't you go see what he wants?